absolutely love this because when I'm working on my cars, I want to get my airlines, and this is the mess of airlines that I've been dealing with. So now these are kind of a backup if I need to add some extras on there. I'm going to use this almost exclusively. It's got a hose airline built into it. It's got this little stopper right here. There's a few ways you can mount this. You can mount it vertical like I have it, or you can mount it from your ceiling of like your garage or something like that, because you see how it pulls out like that. It can pull down. It's got these rollers on both sides so it can go that direction or that direction down there. The line on here is about 65 foot, but I think it comes in a wide variety of sizes. The tips on this thing, this is something that you want to keep in mind. The tips on it is a 3/8 tip. A lot of my fittings were 1/4 inch. Now you get one fitting adapter that came with it. So you see this, you're gonna have to screw this on right there into the side of the hose reel. Oh, by the way, I put mine in with just a couple of lag bolts right here. I screwed it directly into the side of my shed. It comes with these right here, but I didn't use those, but it does come with its own hardware right there. The max air pressure can be up to 300 PSI, but I usually run about, you know, around about, I think, let me see if I can see in there. I think I'm almost about 180 PSI on this little small compressor. Now, what I was saying about the 3/8 tip right here, it comes with a step down to a 1/4 inch. So I did have to go out and purchase a set of these. A couple of these right here that where I went, and you can see what I did right here. I got me a tip. It does not come with any of these airline tips right here, so you will have to get that. You'll have to get one of the male and female plugs and a different type of airline fitting. Unless you've got the 3/8, you'll be fine, but I don't. I just used a couple of adjustable wrenches right there. They do give you some thread tape, but I have some extra thread tape on that. Let me just show you how this thing works. So you see these little teeth right here? Watch this. See how it's going out? Now, when I get it right here, do a quick pull on it. Let's try that again. You guys see how it's working down there? Watch, when it goes to that, see how it stops? So over here's the teeth. It just stops on that right there. So let's go ahead and check this out. It is all ready to go. Watch this. You guys see this? Now at the air compressor might come on if I keep doing it. Right now it's off, but watch. Is that not amazing? You just get it like this. If I need to pull out as much as I need, y'all see that? And then if I want to lock it, just lock it into place. And we are set. Then when not in use, I just do it like this. And what you want to do, you want to make sure that it goes back on there even. Don't just let it go. I'm going to go back on there evenly like that. And that ball will stop it right there. And you just lay the rest up there and it's good to go. So now it's all put up, and look how nice and neat all of my hoses are over here. So now I don't have to worry about hoses being wound up and in the way. So there it is, everybody. That's all I got on, you know what, the automatic retractable air hose reel with hose. See you on the next video.